Hey guys, as you know, I'm really fond of this company called Aptera, and I think they're really promising. I've even reserved their vehicles, so that's how much, I like them. If at any part of this video you want to reserve one as well, I have a link in the description down below that saves you 30% off of the reservation fee of $100. So that makes it $70. That's pretty good. So in this video, we will be talking about how Aptera will be revolutionizing the repair industry for the automakers around the world. So let's get started. If you just go on Aptera's website, you can see that they claim a typical electric vehicle has 300 key structure parts, and the Aptera only has 4. Now this is actually true, I've done my research. And the only other electric car that can beat this number is the Tesla Cybertruck. Well, it's not really out right now, but still, you know what I mean. That only has 1 part. This has 4, but 4 is still significantly less than 300. So the Apteras are already very minimalistic. I've seen a few comments of you guys asking, do you think it would behave well in a car crash? Or just talk about the Aptera's repairability. But in my opinion, Aptera is going to revolutionize the repair industry for automakers. Here's why I think so. Now they're not coming out and saying these things. This car is extremely safe, despite it looking like that. First of all, I think it looks great. But second, if you guys don't like it, it's fine. It's just for aerodynamics. You don't have to like it. You don't have to buy one. You just have to know that the technology behind the Aptera is, in my opinion, phenomenal. Aptera features a level of passenger safety beyond just about any other vehicle on the road today. Every company can claim this, but most companies cannot deliver on this promise. I think they will be able to. The Aptera vehicle not only is for aerodynamics, it's also inspired by the design of the Formula 1 racing vehicle. I'm sure you guys know about that. The material for crashing and energy absorption is made of aluminum, which is very soft, but it's still pretty rigid, and steel, which is basically for the structural foundation of it. And also, they do claim that they have advanced airbag technology, which I think is just marketing fluff. So, like airbag technology, I'm pretty sure they are all nearly the same. But yeah, just by the material and the way they described how it's going to handle impacts, I believe, first of all, it's going to be an extremely safe car. But the safer a car is, the more they crumple. So if you have seen like the Tesla Model 3, which is an extremely safe car, when it crashes, it just crumples like a tin can or something. It doesn't look very nice after it crashes, that's for sure. And I doubt the Aptera will look very great after it crashes either. But remember, the Aptera is only made of 4 frames. So if one frame breaks, they can just replace that frame, and of course the outer shell to make it look good. But that's basically all it is to it. Hold on, this video was sponsored by Cybertech. I'm really proud that they're sponsoring this video because they're truly an amazing service. They allow you to host and make amazing websites for completely free to begin with, forever. So if you want to make your own blog or your own news website, just use this, come on. It's completely free. Also, my own website, xitech.win, is hosted with them. So Cybertech is really your best bet in making a website right now. So yeah, just check them out, linked in the description down below. By using these 4 frames, they're not only able to reduce weight, they're also able to use 3D printed tooling that results in less labor and manufacturing space. Also, it gives the ability for Aptera to rapidly and inexpensively scale based on demand. This is great. It's like having a 3D printer printing out cars. Now, this might just seem like, oh, cool, technology, but no, this is actually really important. The way they're describing this and the way they're going to handle the situation means that if they have more cars, yes, they're going to print more of these structures. But if you have a crash, you can just contact them, and they have basically infinite inventory because they can just make them on the spot. So they can just ship you or ship some parts, some spare parts to its nearest repair location, and they can either drive to you and fix your car that way, or you have to go. But still, it's a lot better than bringing your vehicle for service, waiting like 3 months to get your car back. It just isn't practical for most cars, but for the Aptera and its unique design, this actually works really well. The Aptera cars, fine, yeah, no, they're not really cars, okay, you don't have to mention that. I know, it's more of a auto cycle, as they call it, but still, like, I'm just gonna call it a car. It's, you know, you drive in it, you sit in it, there's a roof, there's a steering wheel that looks like a car steering wheel. To me, it's a car, okay? Just, if that offends you, I'm sorry. I don't know what to say. The Aptera is just amazingly designed for structure, and the repairability of it is amazing. You might be asking, okay, what if someone keys our car? Even in Canada, yeah, the nicest country in the world, people still do that. So, what if someone keys our car? Their painting structure is very strange as well. First of all, the car's covered in solar panels. So if they scratches that solar panel, you can just replace the panel itself. But if they scratches the paint off of their car, the panels itself are also really small. Like if you look at pictures of the Aptera, most panels are tiny. So you can easily get it repainted, or you can send out that piece for repair, and they can either ship you a new piece for you to apply yourself, or they put it on for you. Yeah, when you crash, your car's gonna crumple. That's for safety. But after that, I'm pretty sure you can get it fixed pretty quickly and a lot faster than normal cars. If more automakers decide to take this ability and take advantage of what they're doing, I'm pretty sure that in a couple of decades, maybe sooner, a lot of car manufacturers are going to be able to repair your vehicles just a lot faster. And not only that, it's going to be a lot safer for it to be on the road. If you agree with what I'm suggesting, and if you think this is really promising for the future, please leave it in the comment section down below and say your own opinion. If you don't, also do the same thing. If you want to reserve this vehicle, there's a link in the description down below where you can get $30 off, and that's about it. Thank you for watching today's video. It's a really strange one for sure, but I hope you liked it. Anyway, that's it. Click on something on the screen right now, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Also, how's the green screen? I think it's pretty good.